This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Turn the badge on the grille to access the lock cylinder for the bonnet. Using the key, release the bonnet latch. Raise the bonnet upwards and support it with a prop rod. Slacken the clamp and disconnect the air cleaner outlet hose. Disconnect the engine breather hose. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug. Also detach the wiring loom retaining clip. Release the rubber retaining strap at the front of the housing. Pull the housing upwards to release it from the mounting grommets. Unclip and remove the necessary plastic covers from the battery. Slacken the negative terminal clamp nut. Then pull the terminal upwards from the negative battery post. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal first and reconnect it last. Slacken the clamp nut and disconnect the battery positively terminal. Release the clips securing the cables to the front of the battery box. Then pull up and release the front wall of the battery box. Undo the nuts. And remove the battery retaining clamp. Lift the battery out of the engine compartment using the handles provided. Undo the 3 bolts and remove the battery tray. Note their fitted positions, then disconnect the wiring connections from the starter motor solenoid. The starter motor is located on the rear of the cylinder block. Jack up the front of the car and support it on axle stands. Unscrew the fasteners and remove the plastic undershield below the engine. Undo the starter motor upper mounting bolts working from above in the engine compartment. Undo the starter lower mounting bolt and bracket. Manoeuvre the starter motor out from under the engine. Refit the starter motor to the mounting on the rear of the engine block. Refit the lower bracket and screw on the lower mounting bolt. Refit the starter upper mounting bolts. Tighten the starter motor mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Refit the undershield. Tighten the fasteners securely. Lower the car to the ground. Connect the wiring connections to the starter motor solenoid and tighten the nuts securely. Refit the battery tray and tighten the 3 bolts securely. Position the battery in the battery box. Refit the retaining clamp and tighten both retaining nuts securely. Refit the front section of the battery box. Ensure no one is inside the vehicle as the battery is reconnected. Reconnect the battery positively to the post and attach the necessary cables to the clips at the front of the battery box. Tighten the positive clamp nut securely. Connect the negative terminal to the battery post and tighten the terminal clamp nut securely. Smear a little petroleum jelly on the terminals to prevent corrosion. Refit the necessary battery covers, ensuring the retaining clips lock into place. Refit the air cleaner assembly to the mounting grommets, pushing it firmly into place. Connect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug to the housing, then attach the wiring loom retaining clip. Refit the rubber retaining strap at the front of the housing. Reconnect the air cleaner outlet hose and the engine breather hose. Tighten the air cleaner outlet hose clamp securely.